So yeah, we understand that in African national parks there are a lot of poaching activities that happens, and this has led to habitat destruction. So I've built an agent that is able to navigate through. It is an agent drone that navigates through an African savanna grid. So what this drone does, it will navigate and scan through the whole African savanna, then try to see if there's any poaching related event, any habitat disturbance is happening. So what the agent is does, like when it's navigating through the African savanna, the agent will receive like a reward of +10 for any threat that is scanned. It will also get like a +5 bonus for any species that it identify, given that maybe just identifies an elephant, a giraffe, it get a positive reward. Then given that it's approaching maybe where it is heard the sound of a poaching related, it gets like a +1. Then it also like gets like a positive 50 reward, given that it has managed to scan through the whole savannah grid and able to complete all its main action. So the agent must also balance exploration and battery conservation, make sure that it's able to go back to the base before the battery runs out. So the agent also has like 7 action phases. It needs to go through the north, east, west, and it also has to take an action by scanning, alerting, and uh, like scanning an area. Then the best performing model was the DeepQN, which was confirmed by these training parameters. So the best performing at like a buffer size of 100. Yeah, all the models were trained with this buffer size, but what emerged as the best performing model had like the gamma for 0.995, which maximizes exploration, make sure that able is able to navigate and find any poaching related event. So just to demonstrate how the model runs is, so I'll run the command for running the agent so that you can see the action space in real time. So I'm gonna run about 3 episodes just to see like the agent performing. So this is more like the console seeing that this one is a Pygame, and I built this environment using OpenGL and Pygame, using also the custom Gymnasium environment. So as you can see that this one is the agent. Now it navigates through this whole grid. So once it's near these red dots, this is more like a poaching activity happening, and as you can see, like the moment it comes near this one, it gets a positive more reward. But as it navigates, go back to the base, it also gets the rewards. So you can see that right from that red one, it detects that there's a poaching, and you can see the reward also increasing. So this is basically the agent that was running through. And you can see that from the console here on the terminal, that you can see that on the first episode, okay, like this is the third episode. You can see on the third episode, the third one was detected on this grid, and there was an elephant near that area. So this is basically more like the summary of the agent doing the action. So number of episodes were 3, and the minimum reward that it got was 49. So as it navigates through the whole action space, through the environment, it scans through and try to see if there's any poaching related events happening.